Get ready to dive into the wild and wacky world of blood vessels, where highways of health run through your body like a high speed roller coaster. Buckle up, folks. We're about to take you on a tour that's more exhilarating than a theme park ride. Think of blood vessels as your body's VIP transportation system, zipping around with oxygen, nutrients, and all the good stuff you need to rock your day. They're like the delivery trucks of life, dropping off goodies and picking up trash wherever they go. But wait, there's more. We've got three main vessel stars: the action packed arteries, the cool and collected veins, and the tiny, mighty capillaries. These guys work together like a superhero team to keep your body rocking and rolling. Hold on to your seats as we reveal certain foods containing nutrients that may help support the health of blood vessels by promoting good circulation, reducing inflammation, and supporting overall cardiovascular health. Here are some foods that are considered beneficial for blood vessel health. Number one, tomatoes. They offer multiple benefits for blood vessel health due to their rich lycopene content. Regular consumption of tomatoes has been associated with improved cholesterol levels by lowering LDL cholesterol, which reduces the potential for cholesterol buildup in blood vessels and the formation of plaque. Tomatoes also contain compounds that enhance endothelial function, crucial for proper blood vessel dilation and constriction. Their antioxidants and bioactive elements contribute to reduced inflammation, safeguarding vessels from damage and promoting long term vascular well being. Additionally, certain components in tomatoes, like salicylates, are thought to possess anticoagulant properties, potentially preventing the formation of unwanted blood clots within vessels. Incorporating tomatoes into your diet can be a flavorful way to support your blood vessels and overall cardiovascular health. Number two, avocado is a fantastic addition for supporting your blood vessels and heart health. It's packed with healthy fats and potassium, which work together to keep your blood pressure in check. On top of that, avocados bring in antioxidants like vitamin E and vitamin C that act like shields, safeguarding your blood vessels from stress and lowering the risk of inflammation or damage. Plus, the high levels of potassium and special compounds in avocados help your blood vessels relax and widen, which improves blood flow and keeps things running smoothly. And let's not forget about the dietary fiber in avocados. It's like a helper for your cholesterol levels and digestion, indirectly contributing to keeping your heart happy. Number three, dark chocolate. Dark chocolate brings multiple advantages for blood vessel health and overall cardiovascular wellness. Its antioxidants possess anti inflammatory properties that reduce inflammation within blood vessels, promoting their proper function and overall health. Furthermore, dark chocolate has been associated with favorable changes in cholesterol levels, increasing beneficial HDL cholesterol while decreasing harmful LDL cholesterol. This equilibrium supports the well being of blood vessels by minimizing the risk of plaque buildup. Additionally, certain components in dark chocolate might exhibit anticoagulant properties, aiding in the prevention of excessive blood clotting. This is particularly important for averting the formation of unwanted blood clots that could obstruct blood flows in vessels. While indulging in dark chocolate, it's wise to do so in moderation due to its calorie and fat content. Opting for varieties with higher cocoa content, 70% or more, and limited added sugars can minimize potential benefits. As with any dietary considerations, seeking guidance from a healthcare professional is advisable to ensure that dark chocolate consumption aligns with your individual health needs. Number 4, citrus fruits. These pack a punch of vitamin C, often considered an antioxidant powerhouse. This vital vitamin serves as a shield, safeguarding blood vessels against the harmful effects of oxidative stress and free radicals. By counteracting these detrimental elements, vitamin C actively maintains the well being and solidity of blood vessels. Moreover, vitamin C takes on a significant role in the creation of collagen, a fundamental protein that constructs the architectural foundation of blood vessels. Ensuring vitamin C is sufficient with our intake fuels the production of collagen, thereby bolstering the durability, pliability, and endurance of blood vessel walls. This synergy between vitamin C and collagen contributes to the structural integrity and overall health of blood vessels, supporting their proper function and longevity. Here are some additional foods that can potentially have a negative impact on blood vessel health. Number 1, excessively salty foods. Absolutely. Foods that are excessively salty can have a negative impact on blood vessel health. These foods, including salty snacks like chips and pretzels, canned soups, and processed deli meats, they tend to elevate your salt intake. High salt consumption can lead to a few problems for your blood vessels and heart. Additionally, the excessive salt intake can disrupt the delicate balance of electrolytes in your body, potentially affecting blood vessel function. It's important to be mindful of your salt intake and choose foods that are lower in sodium to promote better blood vessel health and overall cardiovascular wellness. Opting for fresh, whole foods and preparing meals at home can help you control your salt intake and support the well being of your blood vessels. Number 2, red meat, especially when it's high in saturated fats. These can lead to elevated cholesterol levels, particularly LDL or bad cholesterol. High LDL cholesterol levels are associated with an increased risk of atherosclerosis, a condition where plaque builds up in the arteries and narrows blood vessels, potentially impeding blood flow. This narrowing can strain blood vessels and increase the risk of heart related problems. Processed red meats, such as sausages, hot dogs, and bacon, often contain additional harmful substances like sodium and preservatives. These can contribute to high blood pressure and inflammation, further compromising blood vessel health. It is important to note that lean cuts of red meat consumed in moderation can be part of a balanced diet. However, to support your blood vessels and cardiovascular health, it's wise to limit consumption of processed and fatty red meats. Instead, consider incorporating other protein sources like fish, poultry, legumes, and nuts, which offer healthier fats and nutrients that promote better blood vessel function and heart health. Number 3, caffeine, a natural stimulant found in coffee, tea, energy drinks, and certain other beverages, can temporarily elevate blood pressure. This increase occurs because caffeine promotes the release of certain hormones that cause blood vessels to narrow and constrict. While this effect is generally temporary, Consistent high caffeine intake can lead to persistent elevated blood pressure, putting added stress on blood vessels. Prolonged elevation in blood pressure can contribute to the development of hypertension or high blood pressure, which is a significant risk factor for various cardiovascular issues, including heart disease and stroke. Elevated blood pressure can strain blood vessels over time, potentially leading to damage and negatively impacting their function. And that's a wrap on our blood vessel adventure. Remember, these tiny highways are the key to your body's success. Treat them right, and they'll treat you even better. Thanks for joining us on this thrilling ride. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more exciting explorations ahead. Until next time, keep those vessels happy and keep rocking life.